Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete all the viruses on your Samsung phone. Now, if you see a pop-up, maybe in Google Chrome or elsewhere that says you have a virus, maybe it looks something like this, or maybe it looks like this, or maybe there's some other place that makes you think, maybe I have a virus or malware on my Samsung phone. I'm going to show you how to definitely get that fixed. The first thing we need to do is make sure there's not a virus within Google Chrome. This is a common place that you will receive those viruses. So the first thing we need to do is tap on the square at the top right, and we're going to close out of all of the currently open tabs. So close out of every single tab. But that's not all. Let's go back into Google Chrome and then tap on those three dots at the top right. And from here, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Keep in mind, not only your history is in Google Chrome, but all the cache and temporary files that are downloaded onto your device by Google Chrome. So on here, we're going to choose, instead of last 15 minutes, let's choose all time and tap on More Options. Make sure everything is selected here except the saved passwords. Browsing history, cookies, cache, and tabs. And you can leave saved passwords unchecked. And then hit just the delete and delete. After you've done that, you've removed any potential threat in Google Chrome, but it could have potentially already downloaded something onto your phone. So let's check that. And let's swipe up from here and look for the Files app. If you don't see it immediately, you can just tap on Search and just search for Files. And there's My Files. From here, the first thing you should check is installation files, the APK files. These are files that will allow your phone to download apps and could potentially have a virus in that APK file. So if you see any APKs that you don't recognize on here or you didn't download, make sure to delete them. But let's also go back out of here and tap on internal storage. I would highly recommend going through this entire list and browsing all these folders and checking out all the files to make sure you recognize and all of those look legit and safe, especially in the downloads folder. So open up the downloads folder here and just check everything to make sure everything looks okay. After you've done that, let's hop out of here and we can scan all of the apps for viruses. Now, to do that, we can open up the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store is Play Protect. So let's use that. Let's tap on the profile button at the top right, and then scroll down a little bit and choose Play Protect here. You can see it says no harmful apps found. I'm going to hit the scan button and wait for it to scan my entire app library. And you can see it says no apps found. Keep in mind, if it does find something, it will help you to quarantine it and to delete that suspicious or malicious app. However, it's a good sign if it doesn't find anything here, but let's take it a couple steps further, because I would recommend going back out of here and tapping on the search bar at the bottom right. And then from here, let's just search for a virus protector. Now, there are tons of virus protectors. You can see tons of them that get really great reviews and millions of downloads. I just use this top one here. You can see 100 million plus downloads, 4.6 stars. After you've downloaded it, you can get the free version where you don't have to pay a dime. You'll just see some ads. All you have to do is hit the scan now, and it will go through the process of scanning your Samsung phone to see if there are any viruses in the files or in anywhere else that you might have missed. Now, these are good steps to be able to check to see if there are viruses, but I would highly recommend, if you still suspect there's a virus on your phone, to enter safe mode. To do that, we're going to press and hold on that power button. And instead of tapping power off, we're going to press and hold on the power off and then tap on safe mode here. Essentially what this does is it restarts your phone, but it restarts it in safe mode, which restricts a lot of functionality of your Android or Samsung phone. And this is helpful because if there's a virus already on there, it will restrict the functionality of that virus. And after you've identified it, you can either delete it or bring everything back to factory default so that it's no longer on your phone. So you can see here, my phone is restarting, and at the bottom left, it says safe mode. So I'm going to swipe up to unlock my phone and just enter in my PIN here and hit OK. After you're in safe mode, let's swipe up and open up your settings. From here, I would recommend scrolling down until you get to apps on this list. And you're going to look for every app on here to see if there's an app that you don't recognize or looks suspicious. So if you scroll down and you find an app on here that you don't recognize and you don't necessarily want it on your phone, you can always tap on it. For instance, Meta App Installer, something like that. You can tap on storage. You can hit clear cache and clear the data for that. But you can take it one step further and either disable it or force stop that app from functioning. Again, you're looking for any suspicious apps, and if there are any, just remove those and delete them. The next thing that you can do that will definitely fix your phone from any virus is go back to the very beginning of your settings, and you're going to look for accounts and backup. And then just tap on backup now in your Samsung Cloud or your Google Drive and just hit backup now. Go through the process of backing up your entire Android phone, all of the files that you want to keep, and then we're going to factory restart it or reset it. So go back to the beginning of your settings. Let's scroll down to General Management, and then again scroll down until we get to Reset. And then tap on Factory Data Reset. Essentially, you're going to reset your entire Samsung phone back to the factory default. This will wipe out any kind of virus or malware or malicious app that is installed onto your phone. And then you can piecemeal add things back in that you know are safe so that your phone is back how it was before you got the virus. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.